Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to hide Instagram following and followers list. So first of all, when you open your Instagram app, as you can see, then tap on your profile icon right here at the bottom right corner of your screen. And here on your profile page, you can see it will show here your followers and your following list. Now, if you want to hide those on your account, you can tap on the three lines at the top right corner. So here you don't have any option to hide all that list. But all you need to do right here is tap on the settings and privacy and then scroll down and find the account privacy. So tap on that. Now here on private account, you just need to enable this one. As you can see here, when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following list. So if you enable your account into private account, your following and follower list will be hide to anyone. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.